a single node, it's an 8 by 8 dot. So here I will use box. With size of 8 by 8, and background color is of this dot is white. Okay, the it's showing here. Let's put the horizontal arrangements here. Arrangement dots space around. Okay, so now let's make this box in circle shape. So for that I will make the background shape to okay, so now it's in circle shape. Let's show these other 3 dots here. So for that the size of the other node dots is same as 8 by 8, and the color is white with the 20% pass through. So we will apply this 20% opacity to the color. So here I will copy these dots one by one, 1, 2, and make the white color with the opacity of 0.20f. Same goes for this one. So these components should be near to each other. So for that I will wrap these 3 dots in another row. Okay, so now put the spacing between these components, and the spacing is around, what is the spacing between these components? Actually I'm not able to figure out here. Let's put a rectangular here and see. It's 8, so I will use a space modifier to put this 8 with 8 dp spacing. Okay, so the spacing between these dots have been applied. So these horizontal components should be aligned in vertically, in a sense that these dots should be considered as in center of this next and skip. So for that I will set the vertical property of this row, alignment center vertically, and put the below spacing here. So for that I will add another modifier below this row. This is the row scope, spacer, okay, and let's increase it to 30, and the horizontal padding between these components is same as this one. So for that I will change the row horizontal arrangement to space between. Okay, so this is same as to the above one, but as the above components have their arrangements to this text aligned center, so that's why it's showing some of the variations here, but it is according to the design which we are seeing here. So now let's jump to the next component of this screen, which is an image here. So export this image from here. Set the quality to 4x and export it. So I will name it as img / im1 and copy this to our project. So in our design we have a bottom container here, and top of that we have another image here. So for that I will wrap this bottom container in another column and to show this image component. So for that I will name it as bottom container, and use another column here. Fill max size and copy this bottom container from here paste it here, and make the color of make the color of this modifier to initially to white color only. And here we will put our image here. And as I have added an image in our drawable, so I need to refresh, build and refresh from here. So here our screen is showing up here, so let's put some margin on top, padding margin on top, and left of this it's around 48 from here horizontal, and from top it's like around 26. I will use it as on left start, and from top it would be 26. Okay, as our this component should be at the bottom of the screen, so this component should be at the bottom of the screen. So for that I will give the weight property to 1f, okay. So now it's on the bottom of the screen, and our image is not showing as expected because it should take it should be at the attached with this bottom container here. So for that I will comment out this weight property and give the vertical arrangement to arrangement at bottom. Okay, so now it's perfect, it's showing as per design. So let's as we are seeing some margin here, but in our screen here we are seeing some extra margin here. This is because this design is made for a particular screen size only, so it will vary on different screen sizes. I'm talking about this top margin here. So first of all I will remove this margin from start. Okay, and make this horizontally centered. For that I will set the horizontal alignment of this column to center horizontally. So I forget to change this top. I just need to remove the top here, but I have removed the start one. So let's remove this one, and start and end padding should be 48. So now this image is showing as our design. So the next thing that we need to do is put this opacity like this, like from the top it has visible, and